Hello, Ferndale community and Milton Freewater community. My name is Jay Rodighiero and I'm the principal at Ferndale School. We would like to thank our community, parents, and students for the support of our fundraisers that we had over the past couple of months. So we had our wildfire coin drive, which was sponsored by our student advisory team, and we raised $1,100 to send to Palisades Charter Elementary School in California. Our other two were the chocolate sales, and then we also had the Scholastic Book Fair. So again, we thank you community and Ferndale community for that support. We have class pictures on March 18th, so we would love for students to just dress your best. We will take those with teachers in the pictures and we will get some great shots. Our snow makeup day is March 21st. So because we do have school that day, we will also be having our 5th grade cooking club. So that is a makeup day. And spring break right around the corner, that is March 24th through the 28th. Your students and our staff deserve that time for some rest and relaxation to prepare and get their bodies and minds ready for that last 8-week push of school. After spring break, we will be finishing our 3rd session of MAPS testing, and so we need students to come well rested and ready to go for those tests. That's again our 3rd session of MAPS testing after spring break. So that wraps up our update for Ferndale School. We thank you again, community and Ferndale, for all that you've done for us, and enjoy your spring break.